Hey guys, Zach Baum with Hometown Realty here, Hutchinson's #1 real estate brokerage. Today I'm at my new listing / open house up here in Isanti, Minnesota, 1101 South Passage Southwest, priced at $430,000. This is a 4-bed, 4-bath, 3-car garage, 3,100 square feet. Let's go take a look for a quick preview for the open house.
Get up.